Alright guys, Paul here. Welcome to Wild Scottish Adventures. I'm back. It's been a few months, a lot going on. Maybe talk about it later. But I'm here in a lovely forest, just a couple of miles south of Crinan, the famous Crinan Canal. I'm going to hike in 4 or 5 miles to the shoreline, do some fishing. I'm going to get some mushroom hunting on the go. There's some old castle ruins and other ancient ruins and standing stones that we could possibly look at as well. So let's go see what we can find on the trek in. Yeah, we're getting closer. We've got Loch Craignish over here. Then we've got the Sound of Jura. We're going to be camping on the coastline there. So we're nearly getting there. The rain stopped, but it's back on again. Look at that, it's beautiful. But let's get into position, get set up. Well, that's went a bit wrong. So when you look at somewhere on the maps, it's totally different. But I am currently going through all this boggy stuff everywhere. There doesn't seem to be access to the shoreline. I know it's all going to be all cliffs here. But we've been walking along for a while and we're just about 100 metres back for the shoreline. So decided just to take our chance, walk through it. Hopefully we find somewhere flat in here and we get a wee spot. Right guys, I've been walking along the shoreline for a while now, real trouble getting down. As you can see behind me it's quite high. Further up it was 100-150 feet high. Had to cut bushwhack through small trees and like bay willow and little birch and all that, try to get to the edge. Inaccessible to get down to the water. So I'm here now, I'm going to go down there. It's starting to get lower. This has been all deforested 10 years ago or longer, I don't know. As you can see by the tree stumps. So it might be a wee bit precarious getting through here, but let's get down, let's get set up. Just walking through this stuff, desperately trying to find a camp spot, but the ground's so uneven. There's bogs everywhere. I'm sweating. It's just mad. So it is. Crazy. Wee bits like this would be good. It isn't a flat spot. Not a flat spot. Perfect on the water here. Not a flat spot anywhere to put a tent, and I mean any bloody where. This is turning into an adventure, I tell you that. I'm going to go and check a couple of bits. If no, we might just need to make do with this wee bit and nestle in somewhere. We'll see in a minute. Still looking for a bit. I'm getting to the bit now where I'd pointed out for up the top. It should be flat, but I'm looking across there. It's all bloody cliffs. There might be something in there. But I'm like the guys up there. I can see the way the holes are going that. There's going to be a bit in there. There's a wee bay, I can see it. See in here. So I need to jump across to there and have a look. But I'm quite beat up now. That's tough going. So it is. Climbing through all this stuff and then all that dead wood lying, bogs, holes. Oh, this could be a spot. Let's see, I'm hoping. That's the best I've seen. We'll do something with that, screw it. Let's go make it work. Plenty of driftwood about here. Plenty of driftwood about. Last video, got 2 trout through the eye. I've got a pollock through the eye. Second cast just started. Wait, you see this? Unbelievable. Right through the eye. It's just bigger than my hand. I'm going to see if I can get it back, see what happens. See what happens here, eh? Third cast. Yeah, I've got it. Okay. Got a nice one. I'm happy with that. That is going on the fire tonight. Excellente. Let's get them dispatched. Couple of wee pollock fillets done. Right on a hot rock. we go. And I can hear that sizzle. Can't wait for some of that. Got a wee tarp set up. Just tied off all the rocks. Wee tripod there. Just get the gear under. We can hunker down if it starts raining again. Midges on my face for gutting the fish. Wow. Bad. Well, let's go and get this fish, get some food. Free guys. Sharing a couple of wee fillets. But we're getting back fishing the now. This is just a wee snack. Let's try a wee bit of this. Wow. That is amazing. Oh, it's so good.
Let me get a bit of this.
Oh, guys. That is brilliant. Oh. Brilliant, man. Going back in. Absolutely brilliant.
Just melts in the mouth.
You sure? That's what she said. Right guys, we're going to eat this fish and go and catch some here. I think Dale needs to try it.
Oh, you got salt, that's nice.
Good, isn't it? I've been fishing out here for about an hour. It's absolutely beautiful, so peaceful, the tide's right in. Nothing, a couple of wee pools on it. Just right in here at the shallow end, there's tons of little small pollock, and just at the end of my cast when I bring it in they keep having a pop at it, but they're too small to even hook. But that's 8:30, I want to go and get some dinner now, so I'm going to cook some chilli on the fire. But I don't want to leave it, look at that. It's so beautiful. Hardly get a reception on my phone here. It's right out the way. Tough area to get into, tough just to walk about. Own all this stuff back into camp. It's quite treacherous, so it's just about taking your time. But the midges have calmed down since that rainfall earlier on, so I'm happy with that. So we'll get some scoff before that twilight comes, because then they're going to probably come back out. But it's been a good day. We'll do some camp stuff now. I've still to set my tent up, which is usual. And sorry guys, I've not done a video since I think it was April. My last 3 videos, I've been unwell. I've been unwell for about 6 months. I don't know what's been up with me. Just really fatigued, getting shaky, just as soon as I exert myself, and it's just not like me. Usually I can push myself beyond limits. You know, I don't usually have limits, I don't know what that means. So I've been struggling, it's got me a wee bit down, and I kind of just turned YouTube off for a while. I've not even been watching anybody else's videos. So sorry to any of you guys that follow me and I comment on your videos and stuff. But I'm back now, get this first one, wee easier one out the way, just a night one, then I've got some bigger ones planned in the next couple of months, next couple of weeks. So we're looking forward to that. Right, go. Chasing the grasshopper catcher. Oh aye. Oh, he just jumped up. Oh!
He's away.
He jumped up and hit my hand. Ninja boy there. Look at that.
He's a karate skid.
Karate skid. Chili's on the fire. Time for a munch. I am starving. That is 9 o'clock, man. Get this, get the tent set up, maybe get some more fishing done. Look at that, it's looking good. I've got a punch bag there, a boy hanging for the tree. Dale was doing some training. Eh? Whoa, oh yeah. Look at that. My goodness. 9 o'clock, midges are back out in force, and I haven't even set my tent up yet, so this is going to be hairy mary. This is going to be a nightmare setting my tent up. I'm going to get eaten alive. Should have done it earlier. Always last minute, me.
I'm gonna force you to come back over. That's fine. Are you needing anything? Are you needing anything brought back with you, or for you when we come over?
Nearly dark.
Right. No, that's fine then, mate. That's fine.
Fire's cooking away.
Right.
Feel good after that food, I feel
Mate,
tired.
don't stop the
Sun's
fire.
just dropping below the Inner Jura. It's lovely.
You go at your pace, like I said. There's no pressure.
Really nice here and quiet. There's no soul, there's no sign of a person being in here. It's just really tough to get in. It's just tough to manoeuvre around about here. I'd love to go foraging in the forest there for mushrooms and that, but it's just wow. Big massive cliffs behind us. Tough going. But we'll spend a wee bit of time at the fire. Going to go a different route in the way out in the morning. Hopefully find some mushrooms. What a day, eh?
Oh, it was tough.
Look what Jason found.
It was tough.
An old Motorola. Hello. No one there.
Motorola radio.
Throw that away.
Yeah.
Tons of stuff passed up at
And
there.
there's also some in there. Even found a little steering wheel earlier on.
He's been driving me crazy. Sorry, I'm just back from Wales for the week. I was in South Wales, so I keep doing a Welsh accent. I can't stop it. Aye, tons of stuff. Loads of
crap.
loads of stuff. Punch bag earlier. But that was quite a hard, actually harder than what I thought to walk in.
Yeah.
It was like 4 or 5 miles just to get down to the shoreline, but then it was just tough this bit.
It was just brutal.
Try to get down in here.
No, it's just walking over the crop forest as well. There's just holes everywhere.
Aye.
Bits of branches sticking up and
And that's been felled but 10, 20 years ago.
probably, yeah.
By the looks of it, maybe a decade ago, and there was holes everywhere, bogs. Tough, so it sapped us, and then even just walking about here and getting out of the fishing spot, you know, and then that combined with the midges as well. My feet are still wet with these boots on all day, aren't we?
Oh, I'm absolutely, my feet are still soaking.
Aye, so with wet shoes all day. So aye, it's been quite hard actually. So it's good just to chill with a couple of beers, but we're still getting the midges on us. But that's the first one for, we done that last video in April when it didn't go so well.
Yeah.
So and we try to do something, then we come into this place and it's just difficult. Oh, you're moving the camera, but the camera's on the bench, it's swaying. Aye, so an difficult kind of one.
Yeah.
But I feel a lot better physically.
Oh, definitely.
And how's your Achilles? Sure he done his Achilles the last one?
It's absolutely fine now. I did
Good.
think earlier on, I was like, oh no, I think it's going to go because it felt a bit tight, but no, it's held up and
All
yeah,
good. I'm
quite-
feeling stronger. You know, I've carried myself well today. Wee Dale's in his bed. He's sleeping, he's knackered.
he struggled today, bless him, though, but he's done really, really well.
He rolled his knee up there, didn't he, on the
Yeah.
kind of felled forest.
He put his foot in a hole and fell back the way, and I think he bent his wrist and rolled his knee, so
But he's been good banter.
yeah, no, he's
Know what I
done
mean?
well, bless him.
Good banter.
Done
We're
well.
going to sit here for what, an hour, half an hour or something like that.
Yeah,
Sit at the fire till it gets dark, have one more beer, then it's bed. I'm getting up at 6, going to go fishing, and I might even dunk in that.
ooh, yeah. Rather you than me, mate.
He's saying no.
I'm not going in there. I ain't got to change the clothes with me, so no. Not doing it.
Yeah, but I've got shorts, that's it, no trouble, but banging in there. It is morning time. Climb down these rocks. It's 6:30 in the morning. Didn't get a good sleep. Scratching all night with the midgie bites, man. Nasty. Look at this, it's looking good. Going to do a wee spot of fishing before breakfast. Before we head off. It's been a funny one. You know, this is all the stuff you've got to walk across to try and get to the fishing spot. Tough going. Hiking out of here through this. tough, it's warm. I think it's got about 23 degrees today. The weather forecast today is cracking. But I'm going to get up out of here, out of this nasty stuff. I'm going to track, shoot up to that Castle Dounie. And we'll have a look at that ancient ruins and that. See what that's all about. I've not looked into it or nothing. So, a good surprise for us. Let's go and check it out. Oh ho ho, Bryn. Heavy going. Oh. Right, we've hiked up this highest point in the whole area. That's where the whole castle is. That makes sense. Stick the castle on the highest area. Easier to defend, harder to attack, and you've got a view all around you. These spruce, when they've been here back then, you know, it's a man-made plantation. They've been birch and oak and all the different kinds of trees. So I'm assuming it's just in behind me here. But wow, what a bloody view from up here. It's epic. We get round this wee staircase here and we should be hitting Castle Dounie. Methinks. That was quite a hike up there with all our bags. A bit dehydrated, ran out of water now. There is no streams or nothing flowing here. I like that place, I like the down to the river, but there's no water flowing. Look at that. Wow, here we go. This is the start here. This must be right old, because look at the state here. Wow. I'll tell you what, there ain't much yet left. There ain't much yet left. Just this here. Look at that view. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Brilliant. Now it's time to go down to Crinnan. I'll show you a wee bit of the village of Crinnan when they walk back, see if we find any mushrooms. Maybe brown birch leaves. Bit chewing up. No good tears. Keep looking. Here we are, beautiful. There's the Crinnan Hotel. There's the seafood bar. The cafe's just round here, guys. Oh, there's an old steamship in there. There's an old ship in there. Let's go and have a look. Oh, you can't get through that way anymore. What's happened? Crinnan's lovely. We're all fenced off. There must be something going on, look. In there and all. Just there, mate, see it? And there is a coffee shop. This is Crinnan Harbour. It's been a good trip. Be back very soon. Hope you enjoyed it. See you all guys soon.